Today Randonautica is taking me, my partner, Liam and Spicy to some weird locations. Empty car parks that are weirdly empty. Hidden little bush areas where me and Liam do some questionable choices. Yeah, this was a weird one today, but we got to check out some pretty fun spots, so let's come along for the ride. Alright guys, I'm out here at a random car park. This is where Randonautica has taken me today. It's weirdly empty. Like, there is not a single car here at all, which is just weird. But in case four big guys come up again like last episode, this is my weapon, a Christmas light. It looks pretty lethal, so I think it could do some damage. But yeah, it's just a really weirdly empty place, weirdly empty car park, and I don't know. For a pretty busy place here, it's just empty, weird. It's just a weirdly empty place. I don't know, man. It's just strange. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, look at this. Not a car to be seen. Other than, well, ours. This is where Randonautica took us. It's weirdly empty here.
Yeah. What is Randonautica? Is it like just a random location?
Yeah, it just takes us random places. That's what we were doing the other time.
I found like that abandoned.
You know when we went on that bush trail and it had the demon sign on the tree?
Yeah, but that was like cool. That was cool. This is kind of like...
Yeah, what is this? Hey, you've got to admit, for such a busy place, it's a weirdly empty parking lot. It's kind of eerie in its own way, even though there's nothing, I guess, spooky around. Yo, 169 and 269? That's a lot of 6-9s up there. So many 6-9s. Why is it specifically that though? God, it's windy here. I mean, we did put a void in, which means... This is a void, it's just a big open space. It's just weird that there's no cars here. Well, there's nothing really here, so I guess try somewhere else. That's incredible.
I know. Innovating technology.
Yep. Let's see if we can get a bushy spot and not a big old empty car park.
It's trying to stab me. I already had a needle in.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you want more.
No, I think I want next
Is that
one.
the belly button?
That's not a bush.
Big old needle, you know,
That's a road. Alright guys, I'm going to do a rando ritual to try get a good spot. So, apparently according to Liam, that means jumping in this bush.
I'll show you how it's done.
Okay, yeah. Like this. Yep.
Oh, there's all spikes and stuff. It's gonna hurt.
Oh, don't worry, I walk through these in the bush all the time. They're fun.
And then you just do a little bit of... It's gonna hurt.
I can feel the pain from here. Surely we do it together.
It's gonna hurt so bad.
Should we do it together?
Oh, are there any other bushes? I don't feel like getting my balls spiked today.
What about that one? That one looks kind of less lethal, right?
Oh wait, this one here.
Yeah, this one looks nice. Is that the rando ritual? Is that what I gotta do? I think I might need to do it in the spiky one.
Do you actually want it?
I think I'm gonna have to for maximum effect. You know, we need.
You're gonna bleed, eh? It's gonna stab you.
You gotta think for maximum effect. I think I've got to do it in the spiky bush. Oh yeah. Okay.
Alright. Randonautica, yeah, ready?
Let's do this. I'm gonna hate my
I'll
life.
come close.
Let's go. Whoa. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, it's like in my back.
Yeah, there's so many spikes
Oh,
on
we got a
that.
spot.
Yeah, it works though. See, I told you it would work.
It's in a house though. Oh, let's try something else. Let's try power.
Look how many spikes. Look at all the spikes on this thing.
Ah.
They hurt. They're like they're not soft spikes. They
Oh, we actually got a spot though.
really?
Yeah, we got a spot.
Let's
See, it
show
works.
Oh, you check your like arms and everything.
Where are the spikes in my back?
I can't really see any. I think you're good.
Oh, I'm bleeding on my arm. There's a little prick.
That looked bad. You like fully like fell back as well. Effect for the random. You have to lick this tree.
Oh, I have to lick the tree.
Yeah,
I don't know what I'm witnessing over here.
If you just grab the tree like this.
Yeah.
My hair's getting everywhere. If you just grab the tree like this.
There's some guy in a car watching us.
There's bloody ants all over. I'm gonna get an ant on my tongue.
Oh, yum.
Oh, look how many ants are on it.
I've never got an ant bite on my tongue before. Let's just go for it, eh?
I'm waiting for the ants. I'm waiting for the ants to move.
I'm just gonna go for it.
I'm waiting for this stupid ant. I don't want to get bitten on the tongue.
Wait, go for it. Oh! Wait, what? Wait, it is? Yeah. Let's do it again then. Maybe Will's there. Maybe that's why he's not. Maybe that's why he's sure. If that's where Will disappeared, maybe that's why he's not here with us today.
Why am I disappeared again?
Yeah, I've got like pricks everywhere. All right, let's go. Wait, where's my Santa thing? Oh, it's here. I got it. We're safe. Anything happens, we good. Look at that dumpy. That big dumpy right there. There's a big poo on the windshield. It's a big old dumpy. A big turd. No, Will would never do such a hideous crime. Oh, there's a plane. I don't know. Alright, we're here at the park. Look, I don't know what that kid over there is doing.
I'm going to show you guys a really nice spot. It's up to you. It's where I sit.
Oh yeah, sure.
It's a little bit of a walk.
Alright, here we are. It's not where Will went missing, but it's close. Dogs must remain on a leash. Okay. Why am I getting on the leash? I'm not the dog. Woof, woof. Oh, sorry, I can't control myself.
Do you want me to... Yeah, that's mine. Do the rainbow stuff. Do you want me to show you or do you just
Yeah. Let's check out the spot you were talking about. Wait, is this where you were riding your bike this morning?
Oh, I didn't come this far, but I sometimes come all the way up.
Oh yeah.
Because it leads to Wallet Road if you follow that up.
Oh yeah. Looks like a nice spot.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, is there like a whole walk trail through there?
Have you seen my stories where it's like the little stream?
Yeah.
It's literally just up here.
Right. Is this your rest and relaxation spot?
That's the stream.
This is nice. Wait, what is it?
It's a giant concrete
slab? Oh, there is. Yeah, I'll come with. I want to see. This isn't even part of the Randonautica, but I guess it's in the...
It's in the thing.
You guys realize we could just...
Oh, wait a minute. I mean, yeah, if it's in the general vicinity of the Randonautica, then this could be the anomaly. Oh yeah, this is like prime snake territory. Oh crud. Just speed run it. There's a dump bird. And I beach. Oh, whoa. Whoa. There's a big old thing there. I perfectly stood on that as well. Oh crap. Oh my goodness. I should probably look where I'm going. Wait, is it concrete? No, it's sand. Wait, something's buried here. Strange. Wait, is it concrete or is it sand?
Oh, we have to jump across. We have to do a leap of faith.
A leap of faith? I'm down.
Don't fall in.
Let's not fall in. Wait, where's the...
There's the bridge right there.
There's something there. Wait, where are we... Wait, what are we going to?
I'm just going to go see what this is.
Wait, was there ever a concrete slab?
No, I think they thought that was it. Are we going to try to jump across?
Why not? What the heck? Oh, you're already on the edge.
Oh, I feel like I'm going to... That's such a big...
It's a big jump. It's a big jump. Oh, they're all the way over there on the path. I've filmed them, but I can't show Spicy's face.
Why is there so much water?
It's so moist.
Maybe have a look down here more. Might be a bit tricky.
What about... Because there's kind of this. Yeah. I didn't get wet.
Really?
There's a little patch there. I jumped on that and then jumped over.
This bit?
Yeah, that little patch there. There.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That was actually fine.
I didn't even get... Oh, the tip of my shoe's wet, but it didn't go through, so... Yeah, just a tip.
Wait, there's baby turds here.
Wait, what?
Baby turd.
Yo!
Hey, buddy.
I went under the leaf. Maybe it's its home.
Come here. Come back. Come back.
These are some cool plants.
Oh, it's like sink. It's like quicksand.
Yeah, why are we sinking in this? It may not be a concrete slab, but it's a quicksand pit. These are pretty cool.
Wait, how are we gonna get back across? Back up there.
Yeah, we didn't think how we're getting back
Go
up.
to the bridge and climb up the bridge.
Yeah, I mean, good, give that a go. I don't know if we can get to the patch. Oh, now there's a lady showing up. She's probably like, what are we doing?
Oh no. Fine.
We'll just call this home. We don't know how to get
I
back.
actually don't know how we're gonna get back. Unless we just try to trod through this bit.
We could.
Oh, it's trying to get deep.
I'm gonna get itchy.
What about like snakes and stuff?
I don't want to get the chomp.
I feel like it's too wet. I don't think they'll actually be here.
I'm just willing to try our luck. Hope God's on our side today.
Oh no.
Oh, and we might be cooked.
Yeah, let's just think about this for a sec. Let's we try to like jump as far as we can.
That's all I can think of.
The shoe's gonna get a bit wet though.
Yeah,
I think we just have to accept that.
we're just gonna have to go
We're just
for
gonna
it.
have to go for it.
I didn't even get that wet. So graceful. Oh, you sunk. It's like that time at the car when you sunk it in the mud.
Yeah, and it got all, my shoes are all like fully soaked. I have to wear these tonight too.
Oh no.
Right.
Come up this way. This is like snaky. Wait, how do we even get up to the walkway though? Come on, Theo, you can do it. Oh, wait, why is there a whirlpool? You got this.
This is gonna end great.
This is fine.
Man, you're in water.
I mean, that's one way to do it, I guess. Can you even get a good grip on that though?
Yeah. Gonna quickly get rid of this.
What's the other side like? Oh.
What's my other hand gonna grip onto?
Yeah, I don't know if those wires are very,
Try to jump.
very viable. If anything, the most random thing about Randonautica is whatever we're doing right now.
I feel like it's gonna break.
Yeah, I don't know if I really trust it.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't know if I trust this.
I don't know, man.
You can. Yeah. Wait up. Let's see if I can get up here. Bro? I can help you. Wait up. This shouldn't hurt. Oh, I need to like just jump up to that.
You just be able to grab that top bar. I'm like trying to.
Oh, I'm scared to jump. I feel like I'm gonna hurt and freaking fall into the water. How do I get up there?
I'm gonna try to get around here.
Is it a helping hand?
Yoink him.
I can give you a helping hand. I'm trying to think. See if I can like get one of my feet up and move.
What if I do it with Kian? Oh, Kian doesn't even need help, bro.
Maybe go where Kian went.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah. Full monkey boy.
Oh, I freaking went into spider web. No.
Wait, did you get a big spider?
Yep, I don't know where it just went.
Wait, try climb up here. You can get a grip.
Saw it in the water. Spiders on me now.
It's always you with the cobwebs. I don't see it, I don't see it.
Oh my god, man, why?
Here, try
Right there.
climb here. You can get your foot on that pole underneath.
Oh, I hate spiders, man.
Get your foot in that pole underneath it. You can get some leverage.
Oh, I feel so weird. I hate that. I'm just scared this is gonna snap, man. Did you use
Yeah, I used it. I used them to pull myself up, and then I grabbed the top.
Like, you're like flat boy.
There we go.
Yeah.
I mean, the whole time you could have just asked for a helping hand.
Yeah, I probably should. That would have been so much easier. Okay, can someone please do like a spider check? Because I'm so paranoid now after that.
I mean, I'm not seeing any.
Oh, stand still.
Why does it look like you're caressing him?
I'm gonna just go this way. I'm gonna have fun.
I hate that. Like,
Oh, that's funny.
had them like massively pulling me and I hate it.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh yeah! Actually made me jump, so I don't know why I jumped with it.
Are you jumpy after the spider?
Yeah, I'm like on edge now. Give him a fucking heart attack. Yeah, I'm gonna push you in.
Push myself in somehow.
Yeah, you're gonna fall like.
You've done that before.
Yeah.
Feel it.
It's canon that you get these cobwebs on you, you know? Canon event. It just has to happen every single time we go out.
Either I'm like full over or
Either that or you're sinking in mud.
yeah, or it's both.
Yeah.
So those cases both.
That was fun. Didn't see anything spooky, but hey, got to do some good exploring. Yeah. We got to climb some stuff, get covered in cobwebs, and sink in mud, and make dumb decisions as usual. What a good time.
How did you not get the golden orb?
I don't know how I didn't get any spider webs on. It's
Where it was is literally where you walk past.
yeah. It's just it's canon for you. They only interact with you.
The great attractor.
Yeah, yeah. You are the Randonautica anomaly. I can't English. And so that wraps up today's video. That was a fun little adventure down in the bush. Got to see some places Liam spends his time as well. Overall, a good time in that car park. For such a busy area, was weirdly empty. But anyway, if you guys want to see more Randonautica, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for the coming videos. So, I'll see yous in the next one.